Hey guys, I'm Chani and you're watching The Art of Science. Everything around us is matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. This also includes the invisible air all around us. Simply put, the absence of this matter is what we call vacuum. Vacuum is, well, nothing, no matter, void, empty. Achieving perfect vacuum is impossible, but what we can do at home is achieve partial vacuum. It has very low amounts of matter enclosed in the area. One way to achieve this is fire. Fire uses oxygen, and by lighting the paper on fire, all the oxygen is used up. Secondly, when the flame goes out, the air quickly cools down and contracts, and this creates partial vacuum. Then the atmospheric pressure acts on the bowls to create this invincible joint. The links to all the DIYs and experiments are linked up here and in the description box as well. Here in the candle Gobbler experiment, the candle uses up the oxygen for burning and this creates vacuum or empty space. This sends the water gushing upwards to fill the void. We can even use air pressure and vacuum to crush cans without even touching them. Here, we increase the temperature of the can by heating it. Then when we immerse the can in cold water, the air inside contracts, which again creates partial vacuum, which causes the can to crush. Second way to achieve partial vacuum is by using newspaper. You heard me right. Before we do that, why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'm pretty sure you must have seen this trick many times. You can click on the link and follow the stepwise DIY to perform the science trick yourself. Why don't you quickly go down in the comments below and let me know how you think science plays out in this experiment.